Okay, so this is definitely the final video for chapter 6. I was fibbing before. I just want to go through a whole example where we've got we've been given deseasonalised quarterly sales from Mickey's shop, and then we will have to get an equation, and then we're being asked to get the actual sales from the prediction. So it's a two-step process. Alright, so remember, if you are given deseasonalised sales and you're asked to get an equation from that, the equation that you get will be giving you predictions for deseasonalised sales, right? If you have been asked for a actual figure, you will have to re-seasonalise that prediction to put the seasonal effect back in. If you are given actual sales and you're using that to make your equation, you will be doing prediction for actual sales with the seasonal effect in it. Alright? If you've been asked for a deseasonalised figure, you'll have to deseasonalise it. Alright? So just make sure you read the question. For example, the deseasonalised quarterly sales from Mickey's shop are shown below. So we've got quarter 1 to 12 and the sales figures for that shop. Using CAS, repeat the method from example 12. So that would have been one of the ones I did before. So you're going to put all your quarter numbers in, 1 to blah, 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 and the sales in there. All right. So I'm just going to pause the video and do a little screen grab so you can see. Okay, there it is. There. So I've used the quarter numbers, I've put in the sales for each quarter number, and now I'm just going to find the linear regression equation, calc, regression, linear, which are here. So I can say my deseasonalised sales, because they're deseasonalised, is given by, let's go whole numbers. Does it give me an instruction? No, I'm just going to do whole numbers. That is plus, it's a positive slope, 32, and that is the quarter number. Okay, so that is my deseasonalised sales linear regression equation. So anything that I sub in there, any forecast I'm doing, is going to give me a deseasonalised quarterly sales figure. Okay, so this the next example for 15 for forecasting, what sales do we predict for Mickey's shop in the winter of year 4? Because many items have to be ordered well in advance and retailers often have to make such decisions. So it's also really important to stop and think, okay, so if I want the sales figures for Mickey's shop in the winter of year 4, that is not the deseasonalised sales, that is the actual sales. So any prediction that I do with this equation is going to give me a deseasonalised sales figure. So I'm going to have to re-seasonalise it. So first of all, I need to work out where winter of year 4 is. So the season order is summer, autumn, winter, spring. So summer, autumn, winter, spring, summer, autumn, winter, spring, etc. So I've got year 1, year 2, year 3. So 1, 2, 3 years, and I want winter of year 4. So that is going to be 14, 15, 16, 14. Where did I get that from? What a goose. So the number after 12 is definitely not 14, it's 13. So 13, 14, 15, 16. and then I've got summer, autumn, winter, spring, and I want the winter of, is that what I want? Yep, winter of year 4. So once again, I just worked out year 1, year 2, year 3. I've got year 4 and I want winter, so that would be quarter number 15. So using my deseasonalised sales figure, so deseasonalised figures is given by 837 plus 32 times, I enter my quarter number, which is 15, which is 1,317. Now that is my deseasonalised figure, so if I put that as my answer, that would actually be wrong in this case, because I need to re-seasonalise that. So my actual figure is given by my deseasonalised figure times my seasonal index. The winter seasonal index is 1.3. So 1317 times 1.3. So that is $1,712.10 with the seasonal effect back in there. Sorry, that's really hard to see. Oh no, that's not in dollars, that's just sales. Get rid of those. So the actual sales for Mickey's shop in the winter of year 4 is predicted to be about 1,712 sales. I'm assuming to the nearest whole number, which is very different to the $1,317 not dollars, sales that we got from doing the prediction or the forecasting. So with this type of question, remember, if you've got deseasonalised sales, you're going to get deseasonalised forecasts. If you're asked for an actual sales, you have to re-seasonalise it, and the opposite, if you've got actual sales and you're going to get a equation for actual sales, and if you want to deseasonalise, you're going to have to deseasonalise it. So just make sure you know what you have. My cat has just come in and has started scratching something, and she's going to start meowing soon, so that's probably it. Hopefully that is enough to get you started into chapter 6E. Cheers.